Hi everybody, my name is Emily Charette. Today we are going to look at how to make a stop motion video with the help of iMovie. You will need to start by opening iMovie. On the top right of your computer, there's a magnifying glass. Click on it and tap iMovie. This will help you to find it faster. Then continue, get started, create a new, which is the plus sign, and movie. Then you will need to import your pictures that you took on the previous workshop. You will need to click on import media. Select your pictures needed by clicking on the first image, pressing Shift on your keyboard, and then clicking on the last image, and then click Import All. To create a stop motion video on iMovie, the image needs to be fitted to the screen so we don't see it going further and closer when it's played. The duration time needs to be small. iMovie only allows clips of 0.1 second. It cannot be smaller than that. We could always do it manually by putting the video to 0.1 second and fitting the image to the frame, but there's a faster way. Click on iMovie, scroll down to Preference, decide Photo Placement, put it Fit, and decide Photo Duration, write 0.1 second. If your pictures are in order to create your stop motion video, you will click on the first image, press Shift on your keyboard, and click on the last image, then dragging them to the creative platform. You could always delete a picture if you don't need it. You click on it and press Delete on your keyboard, or you can also delete many images. You grab all the frames by clicking and dragging and press Delete on your keyboard. If you want a frame or a picture to be seen longer, you can modify manually the duration you see it. You could always watch your video while working by putting the cursor at the beginning and press play. Wherever the cursor is, the video will play from there. If you want to watch the video from the beginning, you could always press the button right underneath the delete button. This will make it always play from the beginning. When you're finished doing the montage of your picture to create your stop motion, it will be time for sound. You can register sound over your video by clicking the microphone you start recording after the countdown. You could also import sound, but all of the sound would be in the future tutorial. If you are not finished doing your stop motion video and importing sound, you will need to keep it. So you need to register it in the iMovie library. You will click on File, Open Library, New Library, and save it on the desktop. You will need to save the library onto your key, or then the teacher will keep it on her external disk. I really hope this video tutorial really helped you to do your stop motion video on iMovie. I hope that we could see each other again, so see you next time.